today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here on the search pool just type the volume styles. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your phone. Now just tap to open and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just confirm the permissions and just go to the downloaded app and tap to turn on the can use the volume styles app. Now just wait a few seconds and tap here to OK, and as can you okay, tap to yes I agree. And now as can you see, we got here a lot of styles, new styles of your volume panels, and you can select one from these panels. For example, we'll check the Android one. Yes, can you see that's really close. Also we can, for example, check this one. Yeah, now we got here the backway volume panels. If we'll go back, if you wanna, for example, back your regular volume, just tap here to the stop on the right upper corner and check. Yeah, now we got just regular volume panels of our device. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.